Guys, welcome back to another video. I'm doing a boot barn haul today. We went to Colorado. The vlog is before this video, I think. Not too sure. We went to Durango and we went to Boot Barn there. I have some other stuff that Gavin bought at the ski resort that I will be showing you. But if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. I want to say thank you to everybody who is a new subscriber, and let's just get started. I'll start off with what was at the Purgatory Ski Resort. I honestly don't even remember what he got us. So Gavin got Cody this cute little beanie. It has like a cat looking, or a fox, I don't know, but it has a heart-shaped nose, little mittens, and it's this cute little beanie. I'm always putting her in beanies, so super cute. And then he got her this cute little onesie, and it says unbearably cute, Purgatory, Colorado. There's the hair, and it has just a little bear. So cute. So that's what Gavin got Cody, and then he got me, we'll flip it around this way, the Purgatory, Colorado shirt. It has Purgatory, Colorado on the side, and this is what the back looks like. Super excited. I can't wait to wash this stuff and wear it. I don't know if anybody else is like me, but I have to wash things before I wear it because I think, okay, what if somebody tried it on before me? That's a thing. Okay. Now for Boot Barn stuff. I'll start off with what I got Cody because I always get Cody stuff. Okay, this is the little Boot Barn boots. It says boots for your little cowpoke. Or it says it there too. I got them in the size 4. And they're so cute. They're little mocks. This is what they look like. They have Velcro right here on the back. They have a little tie, but this is, I think, a faux one. Oh, no, it's not. Okay. So that's actually a functioning shoelace. Has a little cactus with blossoms there on the side. This part is pink. And this is what the bottom looks like. I don't know if you can see that. But these are the Boot Barn little cowpoke shoes. Super cute. I also got her a Justin belt in the size 18. So there's this. It has a cute little heart belt buckle, and this is the design. So whenever she's wearing it, this is the smallest size on there. Super cute. It actually matches mine. Mine's older than dirt though. I've literally worn the same belt since like 7th grade. And I got her this Ariat one, size 18. This has a rhinestone buckle on it, and it has some pretty crosses, and the leather detailing is super pretty on it. Love it. I just wanted her to have like a plain one and a flashy one, but again, this is about how small around it is, size 18. Okay, I love scrunchies. Like, I am obsessed with scrunchies. They're really gentle on your hair, and of course, me being a cosmetologist, that matters to me. So I got me the Idlewind Fueled by Miranda Lambert scrunchie. This is what this looks like. I love the print on it. Super cute. I haven't tried it yet, but I always wear my hair in a ponytail, and I know that's gonna look cute. It'll even look cute on a side braid. But I got this for myself and Cody whenever she has hair to comb. Idlewind by Miranda Lambert. This is a wild rag that I got, and it has the cow print on it. It has a rope detailing here on the side, leather looking detailing on the side. Super pretty. I got it in a neutral because I want to be able to wear it with many different things. That's my first wild rag that I've ever bought for myself, and I'm super excited. On to the clothes. So, if you don't know, I love Wrangler. My shirt is from Wrangler, my jeans are from Wrangler. Majority of my jeans are Wrangler, and majority, I think, if not all of Gavin's jeans are Wrangler. But this is super cute. This is a Wrangler shirt. It has like the sunset and a guy on a horse roping another horse. So this is super cute. I loved the design when I saw it. Of course, it's going to be oversized. I got this in a size medium. Love it. I gave Gavin a choice, and I've been trying to step out of my comfort zone of clothes because I love fashion, and I kind of just want to get out of what I'm comfortable in. So I've been getting pieces to, I don't know, be fashionable, quote unquote. So he helped me pick this one out. This is another Idlewind by Miranda Lambert bodysuit, just a plain black bodysuit. It has the studs here on the front, and of course the lace up there. It is a long sleeve. Super cute. Idlewind by Miranda Lambert. I guess I just didn't realize how much Idlewind I got, because I think that's all I got was Idlewind. Weird. Okay, so I got this in a large. I don't know if it's gonna fit me very well. The reason why I got it in a large though is because of the top. The last Idlewind one that I got, it did not fit my chest. So I got this cheetah print top. It has the lace here on the front, adjustable straps here on the back, and again, this is in a size large. And this is the last piece that I got, an Idlewind skirt by Miranda Lambert, and this is a very beautiful tan fringy skirt. I'm obsessed with it. It's super soft. I haven't tried it on yet. I'm excited to. The inside is equally as soft as the outside, and who knows, maybe you'll see me in a picture with this on. But that is everything that we got from Boot Barn. Give this a like, comment if you would like to see either Boot Barn Cavenders, or if you would just like to, in a general sense, see me and Cody do mommy and me matching outfits for a week from Sunday to Sunday. And just comment what your favorite piece was. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.